Russell Finex is proud to be a high-quality sieving and filtration equipment supplier. We provide innovative solutions to pretty much every industry you can think of, from pharmaceuticals, food, to coatings and metal powders. Since 1934, we've been innovating and developing new products to help many more industries around the world. This has culminated in the expansion of our UK facility to support our latest line of products for the additive manufacturing industry. What sets us apart is our structure. We work with direct salespeople rather than third parties. This allows us to get closer to our customers all over the world, talk to them, understand their needs, and really bring them the best solution.
Customisation plays a very important part in making sure that we offer a customer exactly what they require. We take a standard product, look at what the customer's requirements are, and then make sure we meet exactly what they need. This also allows us to feed those customisations into our product development cycle for future products.
We have our own manufacturing facility and we are very keen to invest in our technology, our people and the skills for those people. This allows us to make adjustments to our product quickly and to our high quality standards.
We have thousands of machines installed across the world, therefore it's important that we're set up to support our customers in whatever region they're in. We have our manufacturing based in our UK head office, just outside Heathrow Airport, and we have our other subsidiaries in the US, Belgium, Brazil, China and India. We always encourage our customers to try our products to give them complete peace of mind. We have state-of-the-art test facilities in all of our main locations where customers can send product for trial, or we can send the product on site for them to test in their facility. Customer service is not just a functional department, it's embedded throughout the organisation. Customer trust is a Russell must, has been our mission statement for many, many years.
We have a close relationship with our customers, helping them from the start of a project all the way through the life of the equipment. We stock all of the necessary spare parts at our global locations. We even offer a free health check to our customers who need support with their own maintenance programs.
Whether it's a service requirement, an upgrade, any service contract the customer requires, we are there to provide that service for them.
A lot of people that work for us equate the atmosphere to being like a family.
It's a happy place. I've just done 24 years service. It's a challenge, you don't know what you're going to be doing tomorrow, but it served me well. I work with an amazing bunch of people, senior management. They're not just names on a bit of paper, we actually interact with them on a daily basis. The company look after me and I look after the company and what I do.
We have a responsibility to act in an ethical way towards all of our stakeholders, which is why we have long-standing relationships with local charities and programs in the local community.
The quality of the apprenticeship scheme is fantastic. It's allowed me to work and study at the same time and finish my education without any kind of debt. Russell's allowed me day release, so while I was here working 1 day a week, I was allowed to go to college with my peers and study towards my final qualification.
Sustainability is important to us. We use ethical suppliers and we're very conscious of our carbon footprint, reducing that through our solar panels.
To be an established global leader, innovation has to be at the core of our business. And we do this by listening to our customers' future needs, looking at legislation changes and seeing new and emerging markets.
We have products out in the field which are over 50 years old. This shows our commitment to quality for our customers, employees, suppliers and our local communities. We'll be there to support them for many years to come.